Today we met up with a gentleman who had a very rare 2000. It's the only year they came in yellow, a VFR Honda, and we really enjoyed talking to him for a couple hours even. I don't know how long we were up there, but we got some really interesting stories, and hopefully we'll meet up with him again. But in the meantime, if you'd like to watch this video or any of our later videos in 4K, you've got to adjust your device accordingly. Today we're up by the reservoir, and this is just really a super nice day. And there's a gentleman here with a yellow VFR like the one Bob Navola had. We're gonna go over and check it out.
Yellow VFR.
Get out of the way, you don't want me.
A yellow VFR. Oh my God. Oh my God. Do I love FV?
You love your VFR guy too, or?
Well, we had a friend, he passed away recently, who had two of them, and I got to do some work on the bike. We had a lot of fun at his house, and Bobby Navola was his name. That's a beauty. This is a nice shape. What year?
2000, the only year they made them in yellow. In the U.S. anyway.
Yeah, his were both red. Remember Bobby's were both red?
I had a 90 that was red as well. So
yeah, but they're nice bikes.
very limited color choices for them, but
how many miles you got on it?
50 some odd thousand.
Oh,
You ride it.
Yeah, I did. This bike has been as far north as Nova Scotia and as far south as West Virginia on trips.
I correspond with a guy from Prince Edward Island. He says gas is $8 a gallon on Prince Edward Island.
Yep, that's Canadian dollars.
Oh, they're toilet paper.
I don't know what the conversion rate is.
Yeah. Boy, this brought back, when I saw VFR, I thought of Bobby Navola. What a guy he was.
So it is in good shape except this scuff mark here. I was on a trip with my buddy going down to West Virginia.
Oh, yeah. You can't compound that off? Oh,
no,
yeah, it's deep. Yeah,
but steep. I actually, I'm going to get it taken care of, but of course. But so we took a wrong turn. I'm following him, and it was one of these two-lane things, and it had a bunch of banks and other stuff in the middle of the two roads, right? So we went down, realized we had to turn around, we come back, and right around one of them, I didn't notice that there was a car wash, and people are driving out of the car wash, and of course dripping all of the stuff off.
Yeah, all the soapy stuff.
I'm going around about, literally 5-6 miles an hour, and all of a sudden the bike just goes whoop, out from under me. I was like, shit, really?
I have a friend that dropped his brand new Ducati right in front of a car wash. There was soapy water, and he hit the front brake. 2 miles an hour, boink.
That's what happened. If I had noticed the car wash, I wouldn't have leaned it at all because it was right in a little circle thing. So, yeah, I just love them. This is my second VFR.
So you have two of them, or you?
No, I had a 90, rode it for 15 plus years. I also have an Italian bike at home too. I have an Aquila.
Now, did this come with a center stand?
Yes.
We retrofitted a center stand. His didn't come. The second one didn't come with a center stand.
Right.
And we found we had to take the engine out of the bike to get the center stand in. It's the long and short of it.
Yeah.
It was so much work getting that.
Yeah.
I videotaped the whole thing, and to this day I can remember how long it took us to do that.
My 1990 actually didn't have a center stand. Now that you mention it.
I don't know what year the new one he got was. I'm not sure. You don't remember what year Bobby's?
This guy used to have one also. That's why we were talking about.
Oh, you're another FCR guy?
I had a VFR.
They're everywhere.
I had a VF700 in the red, white, and blue.
Right.
That is in nice shape, though, for sure.
Thank you. And one of my other favorites.
So it was great linking up with another VFR owner, actually two VFR owners. And I do remember, and the video is still out on our channel, of retrofitting Bob's second VFR, Bobby Navola. It was an ordeal. It was an all-night, exhausts have to come off, parts of the bike that you'd never think have to come off. And it was a great memory. It's still out on the channel. Look up VFR center stand. It's quite a funny video. Anyway, we are really enjoying this summer. It's been hot. And every time we go on a ride, it seems like we're meeting some new people we haven't seen before, get to see some new interesting bikes, make some new friends. And, of course, the whole world of motorcycling. It's one of the reasons we enjoy the passion of motorcycling so much. really, it's really more about the people than the bikes, and we have met some interesting people in this year. And the season is not even close to being over. We have a lot more rides to go on this summer. And thanks so much for watching.